Greetings, pod fans! This past Bank Holiday Monday, I ventured out to Glengarriff, a village in West Cork, which has a beautiful nature reserve, which features dense forests, meadows, lovely views, and the odd stream. If you ever feel like you need a reminder of what people find so damn aesthetic about Ireland, I would really encourage you to take a walk through this place and just take in the sights. I had a great time following the different trails, and hopefully you enjoyed this condensed version of my day and find some inspiration for your next outing. Then, as is my little tradition, I picked up a stone on the trail, added the location and date in Sharpie, and it is now part of my memory pile. Also, just a little reminder that if you are ever taking anything away from a site that you might visit, please do make sure that it isn't something that will damage the local ecosystem or ecology. Thank you for coming along on this trip with me. Let me know if you've ever been to Glengarriff. It's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. And yeah, I can't wait to take you on the next one. Slán.